Okay, so now we are doing today's Leetcode weekly 331 contest, right? Weekly 331. Let's start with the first problem itself. So the first problem is take gift from the richest pile. So you haven't given a gift array and you haven't given a k number of gifts that you want. And the k number k is basically representing the number of seconds that you have. So you are given this gift array denoting the number of gifts. What you have to do, you have to every second you have to do one thing. You have to do these things like you have to choose a pile with a maximum number of gifts. Okay, so you choose a pile with a maximum number of gifts. If there is more than one pile with a maximum number of gifts, let's say 100 is appearing twice, there are two piles with the maximum number of gifts. So choose any one of them and leave behind the floor of the square root valued numbers in the pile. Okay. So you have to leave the root of 100 right back into this and take all the remaining parts. Like you took 90, just 10 left, right? And then leave behind the floor of square root value of the gifts and take the rest of the gifts. Return the number of gifts remaining after k seconds. So after k second, you'll perform first operation. So if this is an array, right? First second, you will take 100 and you will remain you will just take 90 and the remaining one are 10. So after this, the array will look like 10, comma, 10 comma and yeah 25. So let's keep 25 like that. Let's keep everything like that. This become 10, right? Now you'll pick the maximum one is 64. You'll make it 8 and take the remaining like 56 with you, I think, right? And then you'll take this 25 and make it 5. You'll take 20 with you. After this, this was what? This was 8. This become 5. Now, which is the maximum? Again, 10 is the maximum, right? If you see 9 is not still my maximum. So 10, I'll take the root of 10, which is under, I think, 3, right? Hmm? Yeah, because root of 10 is essentially 3. So I'll make it 7, some kind of like 7. This is my first, second, third, fourth operation all done. I think all done. After this, you'll have sorry, you have to leave back 3, take 7. You have to leave back 3, take 7. So you leave back 3. Yo, that is the thing, man. That is the thing. So it's a simple priority queue question. Took the maximum, do the manipulation, and at last take the sum of priority queue elements, some kind of that, right? So let's just implement a priority queue solution for this. For outer ing q dot push I, right? After that, you'll just say while k minus minus, these are the operations that you gotta do. So you'll say key, okay, take out the maximum and yeah, push the updated one. So how you push the updated one? So you'll just q dot pop you'll do, but before that, q dot push you can do. No, let's say int max is equal to q dot top, q dot pop. Now after that, what you have to push q dot push root of max, sqrt of max. These are the operation k number of times. After that, you will choose all the elements present in priority queue. So how to take that? While q dot size s plus equal to q dot top and q dot pop. Would it work? Would it work? Let's see. S equal to 0. Whew. G is not defined. G top. Let's try to submit this up. Okay, long, I think. Yeah. So make S is equal to long. Working for the sample one. Let's try for the bigger. Accepted. Let's move to problem 2. Right. So this is count vowel string in ranges. Problem 2 of today's Leetcode weekly, which is 331. Okay, so you have been given words array and you have been given queries. Okay, this was, I think, the easiest problem of all. That uh this is prefix some kind of thing. So yeah, you have words array and then queries L to R, ask us to find the number of string present in the range from L to R such that the words end up and start and end with a vowel, right? So a given word has to start as well as end with a vowel, and those words are your consideration. And return the answer of size queries dot length, where answer of I is equal to I, answer of ith query, right? So basically, for example, this let me just tell you what you have to do. Very simple thing. Like given this query, just see like 0 to 2. 0 to 2 is this range, I think, right? B is not a vowel, right? So 0 to 2 is this range. Now see how many strings in this range are starting and ending with vowel. ABA is fine and EC is fine. BCB is not fine. So that's why the answer for this is 2. You put 2 over here. 1 to 4 are all the elements starting from this point to this point. There are three strings I can see starting and ending with vowel, so that's why answer is 3, and 1 is just 0. So that's what you have to do. It's pretty simple. Just use a prefix sum to calculate up to this index how many strings are such good strings which start and end with a vowel. So let's do that quickly. So I would say before for I would make a array vector prefix of size n where p of 0 is equal to is your good, your first string is good, w0 is it good, and then after that you'll say I equal to 1, I less than n, and I plus plus. Okay, so p of I would be equal to nothing but p of I minus 1 plus, is it this good, right? Is this good? A of w of I good, add plus 1 for that. I think it should work. Then you have to consider your queries auto I in the queries array. When your starting point is I is equal to 0, your ending point is I equal to I of 1, then just your answer would be just v dot push back. Let's say create an answer for r is equal to the prefix of ending minus may prefix of starting minus 1. That's how we do it. And like if s is equal to 0, the answer would be just p of e, and then otherwise that, and otherwise that v dot push back r, and at last return your v. Good function is remaining. Let's make it anything else. Nothing. So int r bool good or int good. I can also make int good, right? Good char c. Like if your c is equal to vowels. Okay, so I'm passing string first of all. Huh. And C is nothing but char C1. C you can take. C is equal to W of 0. Okay, first. And let's say I will take B as C of 1, W of 1. Okay. But there are multiple ways to implement this Yara. Just brute force is like it's not even brute force. Just you need to check the string A, E, I, O, and U. Then if this is A, E, I, O, U, and that also belongs to the B is equal to this, B is equal to this, and B is equal to this, and B is equal to this, or B is equal to A E I O U, A E I O U, and return 1, otherwise return 0. This is pretty simple and straightforward question. Just P of n, what is not defined? N is not defined. I think int n is equal to W dot size and words is W, Q is queries, and let's try to run this. Let's try to sum with this. P of 0 is equal to W of 0. No, no, no. It's equal to equal of W 0. And then let's say P of I minus 1 is this, and V dot push back vector V. I think we can create a vector V and then just sum with this up. Okay, wrong answer. Why wrong answer? But why wrong answer, man? String W of C is equal to this, and V is equal to this. Oh, not one. It's like V dot back, W dot back. Now let's try to sum this up. Runtime for just long, I think. Is equal to 0230. Let's fine now. And it's accepted, yeah. So let's do third problem in next video. Okay guys, bye.